I actually might cry. Hello Disney family and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. If you are coming from another one of the mystery swap boxes, I would love for you to join my Disney family, so go ahead and hit that little red subscribe button. You may hear little children in the background because I wasn't able to shoot this video without them. So if you hear my kids, that's who you hear. And I have one right here, right next to me. So first, a big shout out to Sariea over at DreamItDIY. She is the one who arranged this, and so thank you so much for arranging this. And lucky me, I actually drew Terryn's name. So if you saw a couple weeks ago, I did a collaboration with her, and then she has drawn me before. I've opened up a mystery box from her before, and so it was lovely to be able to give back to her. But the person who actually got me was Sariea, which was so exciting. Well guys, I have a baby because she wasn't able to hang out with her sister. Anyway, Sariea actually got me, which was so exciting. So I have a lovely box over here from Sariea. So here is this awesome box from Sariea, and I am so glad that she got me because she's the one who arranged this whole thing, which is like so fun. Of course I don't have scissors. Hang on, let me get scissors. Okay, so here is this lovely box from Sariea. And you know I have to set it down because, you know. One home, two holidays, a million reasons to celebrate. Allison, I was so excited to get you for this gift exchange. I love your channel and watching your Disney adventures with your beautiful, sweet family. I wish you all a magical and loving holiday, Sariea. That is so sweet. This is so sweet because I'm Jewish. We're raising our girls Jewish, but Leanna's Christian, if you didn't already know this. I'm sorry, I had to give Rosie a wrapper for her to just like not cry. So I am going to start with this little package. It's from Wish's Candle Company. Okay, I might cry. I have seen like so many people unwrap and unbox these, and I've always wanted one, and I've never gotten one. Christmas in the hall. Okay, let's smell it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this smells good. You want to smell it? Look at how beautiful this is. Here we go. Look at how beautiful this is. What? You want to help? Come here. You help? It is. Oh, cool. It's a puzzle. I love puzzles. Look at this. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful, and it's Beauty and the Beast. This is going to be really fun. Oh, I'm so excited about it. I just want to give you guys a really good view. There we go. Well guys, I just saw that this was numbered 1. I didn't open them in order. I'm terrible. Oh my gosh, I just saw they were numbers. But I at least saved the last one. Sorry. I'm terrible. I did not follow directions. This is not the first time I haven't followed directions. Look at this, Ruthie. It's beautiful. It's this beautiful, it's a Tinkerbell ornament. Look at this.
Mom, I see it. Mom, I see Mama.
You want to see it?
Yeah.
Look at her. Oh my gosh, this is like really beautiful. Oh, she's stepping on the ink pad, and you can see the ink, like her little footsteps over the side. I actually might cry. I can't believe you actually got me these. Like, I am actually stunned right now. So Carousel of Progress is my favorite attraction at Walt Disney World, and they rarely have merchandise for it. My mom had a pin in her collection that she gave me, and I cried when I got it because I love this attraction so much. To me, this attraction is just Walt Disney. It represents the Disney company. It represents Walt. It is him. And so for me, it's just, it makes me very emotional when I go on it, because you guys know, like, Disney is everything to me. Disney is everything to the people in this collaboration. And Sariea got me these. They're so beautiful. Like, they are the cutout ears, and yeah. I don't have many words other than thank you so much. I cannot believe you did this for me. This feels like way too much, and I am so grateful. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I most certainly did. I got probably the most beautiful pair of ears that I own in this, and they're just stunning. I'm sorry for my children that I know you can hear in the background, but I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to check out the other channels down in the description box below. And if you haven't joined my Disney family, I would love for you to stick around. Go ahead and hit that little red subscribe button. I promise my kids are usually only in the vlogs, not in the videos. And as always, I hope to make your trip just a little more magical. See you guys real soon. Bye.